Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and share my Christmas home tour. I've been doing Christmas home tours for quite a few years now, minus last year I didn't do one, but other than that I've done them quite a few years in a row, and I'll have that playlist linked down below if you want to check it out. I love sharing my Christmas home tours with you guys. I love watching Christmas home tours. They just like make me all warm and fuzzy inside. I love seeing what people do with their houses for Christmas time. Everyone does such different things. This is the first year in this house. If you didn't know, we just moved in here in June. It's been super fun being able to decorate this house. I used mostly everything that I already had, but I also added a little bit more. I didn't buy a lot of new things this year for this house. I did spend a lot on things for the outside of the house. If you haven't seen my front porch home makeover for Christmas video that I did last, I will link that in the description box below and up in a card. Check that out. I had so much fun doing that. The house feels so magical outside, but today I wanted to share what the house feels like inside. This house is a 100-year-old home, actually 108 years old, so it has a lot of traditional vibes to it. I wanted to do some traditional stuff, but mix in some modern fun, and I just really had a lot of fun doing this house. We have classic white warm lights, but I also mixed in some colored lights, as you can see, the banister. I did a Halloween home tour in this house, and I mentioned there, but I'll say it again. This house is not, the furniture isn't exactly what I want to have long term. I'm just kind of like playing with things right now. The paint colors might change some and things like that, but it is what it is for this year. So I just worked with what we had on hand. So like I said, some things might not be staying in the future, but I made them work for Christmas this year. I did also want to say that everything with the decorating this year is very kid-friendly, since I have a 10-year-old who wouldn't mess with anything, but I also have an 18-month-old. She likes to play with the decorations and such. So I have no ornaments on any of the trees. I quickly found out that wasn't gonna work. Most of my trees are just bare, which I love a bare tree anyways. I love just a plain old tree with some lights on it. So pretty. But my main tree, I did add a little bit of ribbon, some picks, and some little things, but no ornaments, because she was taking all the ornaments off the tree. And I wasn't gonna deal with that all season long. I'm going to be sharing downstairs and upstairs. I don't have the upstairs super decorated, but I did do a little bit up there, so I figured might as well show you. Regardless though, I hope you enjoyed this Christmas home tour. I hope it puts you in the Christmas spirit. We're so excited it's Christmas. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you love watching house tours. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of Christmas decorating is. Is it decorating the tree, decorating a certain room, putting lights up? What is your favorite aspect of decorating for the holidays? Let me know down below. I hope you enjoy. Let's do this. guys enjoyed checking out my home for Christmas. I love sharing it with you, and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. You have no idea how much I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday, a very Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. I hope it's amazing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And the kids and the dogs, they're on the way down, so bye.